Welcome to Alampatti, a small town in Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India. At first glance, it feels like many others. Quiet, unassuming. But inside, something exacting is at work. This is the story of a unique sisterhood whose work has touched lives far beyond this place. A story of courage, determination, and commitment. These are lives bound not by fate, but by an extraordinary gift held in their hands. Hands that have fed families, nurtured life, and prayed for loved ones. And then, those same hands move from care to precision. They build wiring harnesses, the systems that carry every signal through a tractor. Each one begins as a wire, cut to length, stripped, crimped to terminals, routed, bound, brought into form, and then tested, not once, but until it holds.
நான் வேலைக்கு வந்த பின்னாடி இந்த ஊரில் இருக்கவங்க எல்லாருமே என்னை மதிக்கத்தக்க ஒரு பெண்ணாக நினச்சாங்க. எங்கள் வீட்டுக்காரே ரொம்ப என்னை மதிப்பு மரியாதையோடு நடத்தினார் சார். JRehab என்னோடய வாழ்க்கையை மாற்றிருச்சு. இது எங்களோட தாய் வீடு மாதிரி தான். எங்களோட சொந்த பந்தம் எல்லாமே இங்கே தான். நாங்கள் கம்பெனியாகவே கருதலை, எங்கள் சொந்த வீடு மாதிரி தான் நாங்கள் வேலை பார்த்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
What began with 5 women has today grown into a skilled team of over 100. Together, they produce tens of thousands of wiring harnesses every month, reaching machines in over 80 countries around the world. Every single day, their work is measured against the very best. The standard is simple: 0 defects. But for this sisterhood, the work does more than just transform a product. It transforms their own life. These hands are no longer just tools. They have become her strength. Life may have dealt them a tough hand, but this sisterhood has wrestled it back. They are the pioneers of a new standard, with will, with determination, destined to make a difference.
மாற்றத்தினாலேயே பிறந்ததுக்கு நான் ரொம்பவும் மனமகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன் சார்.